Hello my YouTube friends, I'm Regina. Welcome to my channel. I wanted to show y'all what I've been doing today. Note cards that I got them from Dollar Tree, and they are all blank inside. So I've been personalizing them with different ones of my sketches of different flowers, and then I color them in with my colored pencils. Now I really like the blank ones because we can personalize them however we want to. So, like I said, you can at Dollar Tree. I'm sure most of y'all have already seen them. You get like 6 to 8 in a pack for it's the blank note cards. Like this one, you get 6 roses with 6 or 8. I think it's 8 roses with 8 envelopes, and for like $1.25 for the whole pack, and they're all blank inside. And then, of course, the same thing with the sunflowers. And then this one too, and I have other ones too with butterflies and different ones. So this one is a pretty, this is the same thing. You get a big pack of these at Dollar Tree also. And then I noticed I picked up a few different patterns. Dollar General has the same similar deal for $1 for several, like a big pack. And they have different designs. I have some beautiful ones for those too. I want to gather them all up and put them like in one big bin, all my different cards, because I love greeting cards, especially the blank ones. And they're all blank inside, so then we personalize however we want to, and we can always either sketch a butterfly or add a butterfly sticker, and then put our, personalized message over here, either happy mail or birthday mail or other occasion. And we can add more little stickers there if we want to. And I noticed in Dollar Tree that inflation has hit Dollar Tree like everywhere else, that they have some of the packs now only have 4 in the pack, the cards with the envelopes for $1.25. Yeah, good old inflation. Okay, so I did the they're all hand sketched by me, and then like I said, I used my colored pencil, so they're all going to be a little bit different. And I want to do some different designs also. So each one's going to be a little different because they're all hand created. So there's the ones with the roses. And yeah, I love this. I love that pattern there. And I also love this, the roses. They got like the little gold flecks. That's beautiful. Love that. And then I did the rose in that one. And then, like I said, we can personalize, add whatever we want to. So, and then the sunflower ones, I did, they're each all going to be a little different. Yeah, the flower on that one's a little bigger. I kind of have a thing for cards anyway. I love cards. Love giving cards and love receiving cards. Kind of have a beautiful collection of them. Okay, I just wanted to share that with y'all, and I so appreciate y'all for watching. And I hope y'all have a really nice day, and I will talk to you on the next video. Bye, friends.